Is your Prius Prime key fob not working reliably? Replacing the battery yourself is easy and saves you $50 to $100 compared to dealership costs. This video guides you through the simple DIY process for 2023 to 2025 models using only basic tools in about 5 minutes. The Toyota Prius Prime key fob for 2023 to 2025 models uses a specific battery type that you must identify correctly to ensure proper function. Specifically, it requires a CR232 lithium coin cell battery with 3 volts and 220 milliampere hours capacity. It is crucial to purchase a genuine CR232 battery. Avoid cheaper alternatives like the CR2025, as they can cause fitment issues or reduced performance. Genuine CR2032 batteries tend to last 10 to 15% longer than alternatives, thanks to optimized circuitry designed for the Prius Prime key fob. For replacing the Prius Prime key fob battery, you only need basic tools that are easy to find. A small flathead screwdriver is perfect for prying open the key fob without damaging it. Use the screwdriver to gently pry along the seam to separate the two halves of the key fob. As an alternative, a plastic pry tool from a repair kit works well and reduces the risk of scratches. Avoid using sharp objects like knives, as they could scratch or damage the plastic casing of the key fob. Before starting, ensure the vehicle is turned off and all keys are removed from the ignition to prevent accidental lockouts. To open the key fob, first locate the seam on the back of the device. Gently insert your screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Twist to separate the two halves. The fob is held together by plastic clips. Apply steady pressure, not adhesives. Be careful not to force it open to avoid breaking the clips. Once the fob is open, you'll see the battery compartment. Note the polarity of the old battery with the positive side up. Remove the old CR2032 battery, observing that the positive side is facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure the battery is securely in place. Now we'll reassemble the key fob and test that it works properly after the battery replacement. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together. Make sure the edges line up properly. Ensure all clips are securely fastened by pressing firmly around the edges. The fob should feel solid with no gaps. Test the functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons while standing near your Prius Prime. The doors should respond immediately to confirm the battery replacement worked. If the doors lock and unlock immediately when you press the buttons, the replacement was successful. If the buttons don't work after battery replacement, try a quick reset. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. This can resolve minor software glitches. If problems persist, the battery may be faulty or incorrectly installed. Check that you're using a genuine CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up in the compartment. Newer Prius Prime models from 2024 and 2025 include low battery alerts displayed on the vehicle's touchscreen, helping prevent unexpected key fob failures. The key fob includes a monitoring sensor that tracks battery health and communicates with the vehicle. Industry trends point to longer-lasting batteries and potential wireless charging for key fobs by 2027, reducing the need for manual replacements. For best performance and lifespan, always use OEM parts rather than cheaper aftermarket alternatives. These advancements make key fob maintenance more convenient and reliable for Prius Prime owners.